Hi, I'm Papa Shorty from Papa Shorty's RC, and today I'm here with URGENEX to go over a 2400 milliamp 3S battery. Let's get on the overhead, get a better look at what we're working with. Okay, now that we're on the bench, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. We get our thank you note. We get 2 Velcro straps. And I'll put the other one aside. And this is URGENEX's 2400 milliamp 50C battery. You know, it's at 11.1 volts. It uses a XT60 plug, and you get your balance plug as well. The weight of the battery is 153 grams or 5.4 ounces, and it measures 102 millimeters by 34 by 23. Alright, now let's see how it fits. Perfect, I'd say. Let's go ahead, strap it in, turn it on, and go get our run video.